Hi everybody, Michael Tiny Saul. It is Tuesday, April 26th at 11:44 p.m. and this is Forex trading analysis for Wednesday, April 27th, 2011. The euro, I was looking for a consolidation and then a break higher. I mean, this little fake out move here would have more than likely canceled the trade for me. So no trigger on this. That we didn't look for this yesterday. I was waiting for it to put in another session, but it already broke. So watch the top Keltner for potential resistance. There's no trade there. The Aussie dollar, just a prime example of why watching the charts and waiting for confirmation is so much more important than having an opinion. For those of you who watched my videos the last couple of days, I have said that I've been watching for the Aussie dollar to break lower and retrace to 50% of this tall candle or the top of this level right here, and instead it went higher. You know what? Cost absolutely nothing. My opinion cost nothing. I wanted to give it one more session because the intraday chart was telling me that a first breakdown may be a fake out. Be careful there and give it another session. Now, it never broke down, so even if we did put the trade stop on, it did not trigger down anyway, but you could see it did the exact opposite of what I thought it was going to do, and that's fine. You know, my favorite saying is opinions are like noses. Everybody's got one. I'm sure you've heard the other version of that, but I like using the clean version, and I can have as many opinions as I want. The key is, how much money do I lose with my opinions, or how much money do I preserve with my opinions? And, you know, that's the real bottom line, and that's the secret, one of the secrets in trading. Okay, you could think anything you want. You have to let the market confirm your opinion, and this time it didn't. So that's great. This is on the shelf for now anyway. It's outside the Keltner. I'm looking for a pull in there, but there's no trigger there. The yen, I was looking for this bottom Keltner line to be tested. It was tested. So far, we're getting a little bounce, but there's no trade trigger there. The Swiss franc, I said, could be a small double bottom. Once again, another one that was in wait and see. And once again, even if we didn't wait and see, it never triggered. It never fired off above this little doji anyway. But another one I was completely wrong with. Looked like a potential double bottom, but instead it went lower, and that's fine. Cost nothing to have an opinion and to watch, that's for sure. Here's the loonie. The loonie is stuck, in my opinion, in no man's land between the lower Keltner and the moving average there. This is one that did fire off. This was nice. This is the euro pound cross. We were looking for 28 ticks to move stops to break even, which we got, and came just shy of the first target, which is up here at 89.23. Remember, all trades are managed by the video rules, so the video rules say that if the video took a 1-unit trade, we'd be looking to move stops very aggressively if it tested this high, probably locking in 35 ticks there. If we had 2 or more units, we'd look to take half or majority off. So in other words, if there were 3 units, we'd be taking 2 off there and leaving 1 for the upper Keltner there. So, and once again, if it was a 1 unit, then it would be move stops up, lock in 30 or 40 pips if it gets there, and then look to take it all off at the upper Keltner. So that looks okay for now. Stops at break even. Euro Swiss, nothing going on. Euro Aussie. Looks like a real nice little, what I call a sidecar pattern here. This was a consolidation, fake out, trapped everybody, and now it's in a little sidecar here. But I'm a little hesitant, and it's probably a better word is scared, unfortunately. I try not to be scared, but I don't know if it's really scared or cautious, okay? But I'm not looking to enter anything here ahead of that FOMC meeting in case that for some reason spooks the market here. But this does look like it wants to break down and test this lower Keltner line here. But so, you know, watch that one. Here's the euro, Kiwi, just going sideways here, nothing there. Here's the pound. The pound looks like it's in a little bit of a bull flag here. Once again, I'm not putting a trigger on it. Just going to watch this one for now. Here is the pound Kiwi. The pound Kiwi triggered. And once again, the video is managing this by taking partials off, moving stops to break even. If there's only 1 unit, stops at break even here. Lower Keltner is the target. That would be the target for the rest of a multi-unit trade or an exit for a 1-unit trade. Here is the euro yen. The euro yen, we readjusted this, and we readjusted this to this yesterday, and we said we were in wait and see mode, and we are. There's nothing going on here, in my opinion. That can't wait until after the FOMC. Looks like a nice little tight little consolidation, though, so it may want to break. But, the thing, we don't want to let this stuff whip you out, right? Break one way and go the other, or break one way and go up the other way. So, as far as I'm concerned, I am in wait-and-see mode on this one. Here is the Swiss yen. Same deal. Here is the Aussie yen. Okay, the Aussie yen looks so pretty here, but I'm hesitant, once again, maybe scared or a little afraid, but more than likely cautious ahead of the FOMC. Let's just leave this for now, but it does look like a beautiful launch pattern, as I call it. Here is the pound yen, nothing there. Here is the pound Swiss. Pound Swiss, okay, tagged the lower Keltner channel. Yeah, not really happy with this one because this was a beautiful ledge, and I believe we had this one last week, and it triggered and stopped, and then it eventually went in our favor. But it's all right. May form a hammer down here, may offer a buying opportunity. Here is the Aussie Swiss. The Aussie Swiss, nothing, just chopping around. Here is the Kiwi Swiss. Okay, Kiwi Swiss. We did not take this trigger, and we said we were going to let this one go. See what shakes on this one in the next couple of sessions. Let's look at the Loonie Swiss. Came just shy of that lower Keltner. Nothing there. And here is the Kiwi Loonie. Okay, which is still just in this like pausadation mode. I made up a word. Should try to trademark it. But more just like pausing here for the time being. So we'll see what sets up on this one over the next few sessions as well. So that's it. It was a run through that we're managing the two positions, and otherwise a couple look okay and may potentially move, but I want to get the FOMC meeting behind us. It's Bernanke's first post-FOMC wrap-up, or whatever the heck he's calling it. So, we may get some gyrations. I don't know. I mean, I think the FOMC meeting has been nothing but a bore the last couple of years, but I just have a suspicion that it's going to start getting more volatile and more exciting, kind of like it used to be. But we'll see. Maybe that's just wishful thinking. So that's it. I will talk to everybody again with the update for Thursday. Have a great trading day on Wednesday.